Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Range Rover Sport SVR, finishing the very stylish Santorini Black. Sitting on those stunning 22-inch gloss black alloys with the contrasting red brake calipers. And it does come with a 5-litre V8 engine, putting out an impressive 575 brake horsepower. You've got the tow bar at the rear, ensuring full practicality. Huge amount of boot space there as well. Moving to the interior, you have got the Ebony and Cirrus Leather finish. Very comfortable to be in, certainly just look the part as well. Got the carbon inlays, as well as the electrically adjustable memory function front seats. Meridian sound system there as well, fantastic throughout, and a very well presented dashboard there as well, I'm sure you'll agree. Got the sliding panoramic sunroof, that had a huge amount of natural lighting. Taking a seat inside, you've got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your rear view camera on there as well. Perfect for getting into those tight spaces. It's got ease of access to a huge range of other features, all with a simple touch. This does include your electrically deployable tow bar. As making our way down, you have got your seating controls, got the heated front seats function, and you've also got the heated rear seats there as well. And for more information, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.